Good morning! It's our second morning here in Munduk, and for today's agenda we are gonna go to Ulundanu Beratan temple. I don't know if I pronounced that wrong or not, sorry if I did, but it's gonna be beautiful there and we're gonna take some pictures, some videos, walk around. I'm so excited for the temple. I've been waiting to go there. And then we are gonna go to a second place, which is the Bali Handara gate. I'm pretty sure you guys know the famous gate that everyone takes pictures at. Apparently it's just a golf course, but the gate is really nice. So after that we're gonna go get some breakfast, hopefully do some more stuff, but there's rain on today's agenda, so we'll see how the weather holds up. I'll see you guys on the road. Oh, good morning! Good morning! Yes. Yes, 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 yes. It's your time to shine. Say hi. This is our little friend. Her or his name is like Bob or like something. I don't know. They were kind of confusing with the name.
Said his name was Brad.
Brad?
I'm not
Okay,
sure.
stop following me. I'm trying to take a video of you. Oh, stretchimas. He's our protector while we leave, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's gonna protect the villa.
He's good. Oh, he's so cute.
He bites if you like do this.
You're so cute.
He's fine now.
Meow. Oh, he's sleepy. He's so cute.
Okay, go sleep.
Okay, it's time to go. So when you leave the villa, there's this new platform that they're building. But look at this insane view. Like, I'm not lying, this is literally our villa, right?
It's the same villa.
Yeah, like,
oh, you mean this?
yeah.
Yeah.
Like this is all here. Like, this is not made up. Oh, and now it's time to climb like 100 stairs to get to the top. Let's go. I swear after this trip I'm gonna be so fit, because climbing these stairs 3 times a day, oops, that's the wrong way, it's just not for me. Wait, which way do I go? Yeah, I go this way. Look at this view, bro.
All the things I think about when I think about you, like the times you call it out, every little thing I do. Yeah, it's nice to know you care about something, even when it's unfair. You know it's better than nothing. Yeah, I got you. All the time it seems to fade, fading into the airspace. Every word you ever said, coming in through the airway. It's nice to see you there, you know it's been a long time since we had moments to share. You know you're here, then you're gone quick, but I got you.
Karsi Bantun. I think Karsi is actually. Maybe not.
Hi guys, so we just arrived. I played myself and my battery's about to die. But let's not talk about that. Hopefully I'll get some shots. And if not, we have handy dandy phone. But this place is beautiful. I swear we're like the only ones here except the staff. This is unbelievable. Like, I'm looking at this and I'm like, is this really what I'm seeing? Like, this is beautiful.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn.
So, a little update. We're in a little Warung, little house. This whole day has been not what we have planned. It's been raining for the past 2 hours. My camera died. Half of the places that we wanted to go just didn't work out. But right now where we're at just makes up for everything. I wouldn't say that this day is a flop. If anything, it feels like how it truly feels to travel and do things spontaneously, because this whole day has been so spontaneous and wouldn't have it any other way. We're gonna wait for the rain to come down and then we're gonna drive back. We still have to drive for 20 minutes. There's a few things I want to talk about in the North of Bali that we never did and we should have before coming here. So I'm gonna see you guys back home. We just finished eating. How good was the food?
So good.
And the view. Like, the view, this is all cloudy right now, but then it goes down and then you can see the lake and the village and it's just so worth it.
It just hits different because there's literally a guy standing there with a little pump and charcoals, and he's just consistently giving people these little skewers. We got like 16 or so. It's so good. I can't even describe.
Tears fall at last. I see my past like it's still around. But am I happy now? Am I happy now? Are you happy now? Pictures might last, but my frame just cracked. Think I'm going down. Had to light this up. Am I happy now? Am I happy now?
Good morning, guys. It's our third day here and sadly our last. Yesterday was a big mess. I still haven't recorded anything from yesterday or given an update because we got soaked last night and we literally hit the hay, and it was just a sleep day because we don't want to get sick, so you know, gotta rest your body after going through something like that. But I think we're gonna just take it easy, do some yoga, clean up the room a little bit, do some stuff. But right now I'm eating breakfast. I got some pancakes with chocolate and bananas and some coffee and this beautiful view.
To the present, haven't been so happy ever.
Get fucking bitten. Yeah, even the bees are like, ew, she's too fucking soft.
And I still haven't released it. feels like haven't been so happy ever.
Oh, yesterday was a little rough. My camera died. I thought I charged both of my batteries, but no, they were both dead. It started pouring on us. We were stranded in a little cafe, but we made the best of it. Now, one thing that I did want to talk about is if you ever come here, bring cash, and I mean a lot of cash. We brought 1.3 million IDR, and that was not enough. That was not even remotely close to how much you need here. They don't take anything else except cash. It's not that it's expensive here, it's just everyone takes cash here. Even the food, drinks, gas, sleeping, everything. Even visiting waterfalls, like you have to have low cash on you, like 5,000, 10,000. The temple was also cash. Not saying that it is expensive here, it is remotely cheap here. The food here is very local. So if you're not a fan of like Indonesian food, it's not that I wouldn't suggest you coming here, but right now during the pandemic, everything is pretty closed and it's all warungs and Indonesian food. I do like their food, so it wasn't bad for me, but if you're not a fan, just be aware of that. Second of all, it is all local people here. If we wanted to find something out, we had to use Google Translate and be like, hey, can you help us get here? And the third thing is the weather. I don't know if it's just because when we visited, but it has been raining here every day, and it does get cloudy around 1 p.m. And when I mean cloudy, like all foggy. Now, it's not a bad thing. If anything, you just wake up earlier. We wake up at 6 a.m. and then we come back by 5 and just chill in the place. Make sure you bring warm clothes because it is pretty chilly here and there are a lot of bugs. So beware of that. Be prepared. Don't be scared. You will have quite a few mosquito bites and bug bites and a few other bites. Would I ever come back here again? Yes, this place is magical. You feel like you're in a movie. You're literally floating in a cloud. You're breathing clouds. And if you do come here, there's a really popular restaurant called Munduk Farmhouse, which they also take cash, but it's a really good place and it's literally in the clouds. So if you do come here, go there, you won't regret it. I think that's all that I wanted to say and mention. We're gonna pack right now because we're going back to Seminyak today. Our driver picks us up at 11 and it's currently 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed our little 3-day vacation in North of Bali. It for sure exceeded our expectations. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog.